Hi guys, my name is Chef Ken.
Chef Newell.
Welcome to Kids
Can
Cook.
Kitchen.
Yes, and today we are making chicken, skewers and roast.
Potatoes.
Yeah. Welcome, this is very easy. We'll start by cutting our chicken breast into cubes. Cutting our chicken breast into
Cubes.
Yeah, are you ready?
Yes.
Let me push on the chicken breast.
Okay.
This is yours, Jewel. Cut it into cubes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Why is mine not working?
Let's exchange the knife. Okay. Good. Yes. Next. Make sure you hold the meat. Okay. Then hold the knife over here. Then cut like that. You see, it's easy. Yes, good. Yeah. Our chicken into cubes. Let's cut more chicken. Cut that into cubes. Good, you're doing it very well. And last one.
Yeah.
Okay. We have cut our chicken into cubes. The next step is to marinate our chicken. To marinate our
Chicken.
Okay, Jewel, knife down. As we said, a knife is a dangerous object. Okay, when you're done with the knife, place it down. Okay, when you're at home, you finish with the knife, place it down, continue. Okay, we'll add our chicken. Then we have soy sauce. Put for me 3 teaspoons of soy sauce. 1, you count.
Not 2.
2, full.
4. 3.
3, good girl. We'll add some spices. A half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of mixed spices, half a teaspoon of white pepper. Okay, then also on that we'll add 4 teaspoons of yogurt. Okay, let me hold. Start counting.
1.
Yes.
2. 3. 4.
Yes. That's how we marinate our chicken. Then now we will rub in our ingredients. So I have some gloves over here. Just one hand. Where's the right hand? Yes. You can still use a spoon to mix in the ingredients. Okay, small fingers. The fingers are getting stuck. Oh, finally. Oh, the glove is too big and your fingers are too small. Okay, using the glove, mix our chicken. Mix. Yes, hold the bowl on one. Yes, hold. Rub in, mix everything together. Mix. Mix together like this from down. Yes, massage the chicken. We do this for all the marinade to mix and to incorporate. Okay. Can also use a spoon at home or a muiko if you don't have gloves. Yeah, and there we have marinated our chicken. Okay, move the gloves. Now we'll be cutting our hoho and onions into cubes. Yeah, that now we'll skewer this. Cut it wait, let me show you.
Okay.
We cut the red hoho into cubes. Okay, now cut into cubes. Good. The other one into cubes. Good, nice one. Yes, more bigger. Yes. Good girl. That's enough. Next, we have our yellow hoho. Cut it into half. Yes, separate, then cut it into bigger cubes. Yes. Good. So what next? What color is this?
Green hoho.
Okay. Okay, and you are fast. You know how to use a knife. Continue. Nice one. Our next part is cutting the onions. The cubes. Yes. Don't cut it into 3. Just big ones.
Okay.
Into 3, yes, good girl.
Done.
Okay, that's enough. So put them here. Yeah. We have cut our onion into cubes, our red capsicum into cubes, green and yellow into cubes. Okay. When we started, we said we'll cook chicken skewers with what? Roast?
Potatoes.
We have our potatoes here peeled. So what we'll do is our potatoes will act as the base. Okay, Jewel, do you know how to cut potatoes? Round and round. Round and round. Round and
round, I know. Okay.
Yes. Let me see. This one is a bit use energy. Round and round. Be careful. Yes. You press it in. Yes, let me help you. So at home, You cut the potatoes round and round. Round and round. Yeah. So potatoes in. We are done cutting our potatoes round and round. Now the final step, or what we have been waiting for, we have our chicken cut into cubes, we have onions cut into cubes, and now we have our skewers, because it's chicken skewers. So in another, we call them chicken mshikaki. Chicken mshikaki, okay? You soak your skewers in water for at least 1 hour, so that because they are wood and you are baking them in the oven or grilling, it will minimize the skewers being roasted or the skewers burning. So when you soak them in water for a longer time, they absorb the water. We are assembling our skewers. We are assembling our skewer. Yeah. We start with the onion. Yes, onion. Then get 1 piece of chicken. Red. Get this one. Yes. Then chicken. Good. Green. Good. Then chicken. And yellow. Chicken. Then repeat. Onion. Chicken. So this is assembling the skewer. Assembling the skewers. So this will be very, very yummy, roasted or grilled. And you know, chicken. This one good. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 14. Wow. So let me distribute it for you, very well. Okay. So what you do is, you assemble it again. Very well. Yes, there is our skewer again. Yes, 14. So now we have our skewers. So what we'll do is, the same way we marinated, so we set the skewers aside. So we'll do more and more skewers. So the same way we marinated our chicken, marinate our potatoes using 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and now the spices, in the spices, half tablespoon of each. Yes, drizzle all over. Yes, good. Again, all over. Good. So I'll just add some more. Then I'll do the mixing. So make sure the potatoes are coated with the seasoning so that they'll be yummy. They'll be yummy. So we drizzle some oil on the potatoes. We are not using yogurt. We only use yogurt on the chicken. Okay? We have our baking tray. Because we are baking them in the oven, and this is a grease-proof paper or a parchment paper, so that our potatoes and chicken will not stick. Okay, we'll arrange our potatoes. So our base will be the roast potatoes. Roast potatoes. Yes. Cover the base of the tray with roast potatoes. Yeah, roast potatoes. Yes, after the roast potatoes on the base, now our skewers come on top. Our skewers comes on top. Good. So we'll continue making more skewers until they are full. Yeah. So we continue. Yeah, so there we have our chicken skewers. Can you count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah, we have 8 chicken skewers, and remember our base are the potatoes. We'll bake this in the oven for how many? 30 minutes at 200 degrees. Yeah. Okay, so now our skewers are ready. We had preheated our oven for 10 minutes. So our oven is hot. Jill, can you? It's hot. Okay, so in goes our skewers. In goes our skewers. Hot. Close the oven for us. Yeah, so here we set 30 minutes timer, 200 degrees, and the heat to come from up and down. Up and
Down.
yeah, so nice. So we wait for how many minutes? 30 minutes. The oven is hot, very hot. So high five for doing a good job. So we wait.
Wait.
So Jewel, we want to check if our chicken skewers are ready. Can you see? They are brown. They have browned. We waited for 30 minutes and we added another 10 minutes for the chicken skewers to cook more. So yeah, I think they are ready. So yeah, so check. Wow, very yummy.
Yummy.
It looks yummy. Are you ready to taste?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, as you can see, so we wait for it to get a little bit cool. Can you taste? Looks yummy and delicious. So Aya, come closer. So yummy and delicious. Hold it. Yeah, so yummy and delicious chicken skewers cooked in the oven. You can also grill the chicken. Okay? Is it yummy? Yes, you can do it at home. Thank you and bye-bye. Is it delicious?
Yes.
Another bite. Very yummy and juicy. Very yummy and bye-bye. Till next time. Okay. Jewel amefurahi mpaka ako huko nje kila mahali.